In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Analytics 4 on Shopify. Let's get started. First, you'll want to bring up your Shopify admin dashboard. As you glance through the menu options, find and click on Apps. The Apps section is where you can manage all the tools and integrations that support your Shopify store. Once you're there, use the search bar to look for Google Analytics. Entering this powerful tool into the search field will bring up several options, but you should specifically look for the one labeled Google and YouTube. This particular app is tailored to work seamlessly with Google services, ensuring a smoother integration process. Clicking on the result will reveal additional details about the app which you might find useful for understanding its capabilities. However, our current focus is on installation, so go right ahead and hit the Install button. This might prompt you to confirm your action. Think of this step as Shopify's way of ensuring that you really want to proceed with the installation. Go ahead and confirm by clicking the Install Again option. Once the app is successfully installed, the next step is all about establishing a connection between your Shopify store and your Google account. Now, you'll be prompted to connect a Google account to this newly installed app. This step is crucial because Google Analytics will pull data from your store and provide insights and reports tailored to your needs as a business owner. Click on the Connect Google Account button to start this process. This will route you to a page where you can choose or log into the Google account you want to associate with your Shopify store. If you already have a Google account set up for your business, that's the one you'll want to use. Simply enter your login credentials to access your account. After successfully logging in, you will have effectively completed the initial setup for linking Google Analytics 4 with your Shopify store. This powerful combination will help you gather valuable insights into customer behaviors, enhance your understanding of how visitors interact with your store, and ultimately guide you in making data-driven decisions to optimize your business operations. By following these steps, you'll unlock a whole new world of analytics that can drive your business forward. Remember, the installation is just the first part. Once everything is set up, take some time to explore the different features and reports available in Google Analytics. This will enable you to maximize the benefits of this powerful tool. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has made the process easy and clear. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.